Mama! Why are you doing this again?
Because I'm going to make this damn thing work this time.
What are you changing?
I'm going to change my flour. The last time I used all-purpose flour, today I'm going to use self-rising flour. I need a pinch of salt.
Oh.
Ah! Ah, you're kidding me.
Mama.
I'm going to bake it a little while longer. So this is aggravating the piss out of me. It did say not to stir. What if we stir?
Oh.
Look, it's not watering it. It almost came out like a pie. I wish it was a better consistency, but it's not bad. It's really not bad.